Hi everyone, welcome back. We're just gonna keep busy and busy. Oh, I got girl there, 18 years old, looking for sugar daddy. Where's the sugar daddy at? Hello, B. Good evening. How are you?
Okay lang po.
Pakilala ka, B. Introduce yourself, please.
Ako po si Jasmine.
Ako lang to, kamay. How old are you? 18-year-old, right?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
One.
One?
Yeah.
Oh. How old are you when you got first baby? 18 na? You get pregnant 17?
16.
16?
Yeah.
And you
16.
gave birth 2017?
No.
Oh,
20,
when you're 17?
21.
Nanganak ka ng 17
Yes,
ka?
nanganak ako 17 ako.
Oh, okay. That's good. What's your husband do?
Only, nagtatrabaho siya.
Oo, anong ginagawa? Anong work?
Mineral station.
Huwag mo nila lang, basta may trabaho. Buti ngayon may trabaho.
Mineral station.
What do you do before you get pregnant? Anong ginagawa mo bago ka na buntis?
Wala, nag-aaral lang.
Studying?
Study.
What grade are you in when you get pregnant?
Grade 10.
Grade 10 ka na?
Graduating grade 10. I'm graduate.
What's your parents say when you get pregnant? They get mad?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Anong mo expect mo magiging masaya ka sa... That's good. Did you regret your life? Pinagsisihan mo ba?
Hindi naman. Siyempre, blessing yung bata.
Yung bata, blessing. Yung ama.
Ewan ko lang.
You don't know about the father if it's a blessing.
Hirap yung buhay.
Life is hard. At least he's working. Where do you live? Who you live with?
Hauville, Pandan.
Yeah, who you live with? Sino kasama mo sa bahay?
Family.
Your parents or his parents?
My parents.
So you live in your parents' house with your husband? Jowa. He's from Pangasinan.
Pangasinan pa.
Oh, okay.
Hindi kayo makauwi dun.
How much did you pay for your eyelash extension?
Only 2 weeks.
How much you paid for it?
50 pesos. Lang, training lang to.
Training. It's not itchy? Hindi makati?
Hindi
naman. It's not heavy? Hindi mabigat?
Hindi.
No. I'm just confused. Why you decide to put that?
Nothing too pretty.
Kaloka. So you think you're pretty, di ba? Pretty ka naman. How tall are you? Oh. Ano height mo?
Anong height ko?
Di mo rin alam.
Hindi ko alam eh. 5 lang ata.
3 pa.
Liit ko.
Can you stand up?
Okay.
Ba't may pasak ka? Binugbog ka ng asawa mo, no?
Nagme-mens ako.
Okay. Turn around. Turn around.
Ay.
Tapos magtutwerk ka dyan.
Nakamarunong mag-twerk. Nakamarunong mag-twerk.
Kaloka ang buhay. Happy ka naman sa buhay?
Minsan.
Sometimes you're happy. Tapos, anong nangyayari? Ba't di ka na nagiging happy?
Sa mga problema.
Problem of what?
Pagsubok sa buhay.
Really? Yeah. Anong klaseng problema?
Like, wala kang budget.
You don't have budget of what?
Like,
panglalaki.
No. Pagkain sa bata. Ganyan.
For food and for your child. Oo, it's hard if you don't have money because we don't know where to get or where to ask. Even we wanna buy something for our child, we cannot buy it, di ba? Kahit may gusto kang bilhin para sa anak mo.
Hindi mo mabili kasi wala kang budget. Wala kang work. Yung asawa, wala pinagkakasya mo yung budget.
Your husband has a job but you're just he has job but he cannot buy everything. But it's okay, right? As long he can raise his child and buy some food and milk.
Only child.
For the child only. It's okay as long he gives something for your child. And
only child, not for mine, not for me.
It's okay because you're already a mother. You don't have to think for yourself.
I know.
Just be happy that he's providing your
Oo.
child need. Masaya ka. Okay lang yun, wala ka na. It's okay if we
Oo,
can get
wala ka para
anything
sa
for
sarili.
ourselves. If it's
Para
not
sa
giving
bata naman.
for our needs, diba? So, as long he has money for your baby or to buy milk,
Chill.
kaloka, no?
Ang hirap
What do you wanna do? As age of 18, do you still wanna party?
sometimes.
No? So, you're taking care of your child. Inaalagan mo naman yung anak
Opo.
mo.
Opo. Sa bahay lang.
That's good. Unlike other mother, they still wanna have
Yeah.
party.
Party. Yung anak naiwan sa kapitbahay.
Yeah, she said party. Your other girls, they wanna do party, but their child is living with the neighbor or their grandparents. Diba? Ba't nila nagagawa yun?
Hindi ko alam.
At least your responsibility. Now, I know, girls. I mean, she just had baby 2 months now, and after she had baby, I don't know if she take care of her child. She's married with, not married, the baby is white, it's half white American, and what she do is she let the nanny take care of the baby, and she's out in ABC. Their boyfriend giving her money. I don't know if the boyfriend know about it. She's out in ABC and going to walking street. I cannot. When I have baby, I don't wanna party no more. If it's just occasion, yeah, but I rather take care my child than party, di ba?
Yung iba, ganun talaga. Gusto nila maging masaya yung bata.
That's right. We just want our child to be happy. Because other bitches, I mean, as long they have money to pay the nanny, basta may pera sila pang bayad ng yaya, no? Magpa-party, they just gonna do party.
Pero di pa rin sapat yun.
But it's not enough.
Kailangan ng bata yung
They need the child need the care of their mother or their parents. Kaloka, no? Do you gambling? Nagagambling ka? Hindi. Are you looking for a job? Something like that?
Yeah.
What kind of job?
Like, I don't know, call center, Jollibee.
Call center, Jollibee? High school graduate ka ba?
Yeah.
High school graduate ka?
Opo.
Grade 10. Okay, that's good. You can work in Jollibee because you're high school graduate.
Yes.
It's not
But not easy to my job. Walang may iwan.
No one gonna take care of your mom. Mama mo.
Nasa rin. Marami po kasi bata. Meron din mga baby. Kapatid na maliit.
Your siblings, they also have child.
Yeah.
May mga kapatid ka pa. You also still have small kids, like how old?
Like 3 years old.
3-year-old, your siblings? And your mom taking care of them?
Yes. 3 and 5.
How many siblings do you have?
6.
6 kayo. Pang ilan ka?
3. Ako lang
You're the third.
Ako lang mag-isang girl.
You're the only
girl.
Oh. You're the only daughter.
Yes.
Tapos nag-asawa na. But also married now. Diba? Kaloka. What's the hardest part of being a mom?
Yung nababantayan mo yung anak mo ng maayos.
Hardest yung pinakamahirap maging isang ina.
Ay, yung mga pagsubok na hindi mo nabibigay sa bata.
The one that you cannot give your child, and when they are sick.
Lalo na pag nagkasakit yung bata.
If they are sick, you cannot take. You're gonna be worried. You can't even sleep, right? We can't even sleep if they are sick. Because we worried what we gonna do. Lalo na pag masilan yung anak mo.
Lalo masaya pag sakitin yung bata.
Sakitin yung anak mo?
Hindi naman siya.
Oh, okay.
Yun yung pinagkano ko. Tapos salamat ko lang yung maging malakas yung bata.
That's good that you're praying about your child health. What's the hardest thing that you cannot buy your child need? Like what he need? As he's only 1 year old. But she's asking it like toys or what?
Like toy, like foods.
Foods,
Biscuit.
biscuit. You cannot buy biscuit.
Biscuit yun.
You're 1 year old babae, lalaki?
Lalaki po.
Your son is asking for Jollibee? Hindi siya naghahanap ng Jollibee? Ay, mabuti naman yung anak ko kasi nakakita lang ng Jollibee. I'm glad that your son is not asking for Jollibee. My 1-year-old daughter, she's asking for Jollibee. If she see, pag nakakita yun if she saw a Jollibee poster, she's happy.
Yung mga ibang bata, kinakasaya yun.
But even she's asking it, I'm not buying for it because we don't have money to buy. But sometimes I do. If I buy her like that, she's happy all the food anyway. Lahat naman ng pagkain kinakain ng anak ko. She just like the ice cream. Ice cream tsaka spaghetti lang naman. I'm glad that, do you teach your child how to write or read? Tinuturuan mo sila?
Yeah. Tinuturo ko naman sa tama.
That's good.
Para paglaki ba yung respeto naman.
So when he grew up, he has respect for other people.
Yes. Hindi lang sa akin, pati sa mga ibang
Tama
nakakatanda.
yan. Do you don't have part-time job? Part-time job. Wala kang part-time job?
Wala. Sa bahay lang.
You said you're looking for sugar daddy, right? Are you looking for sugar daddy? No? Are you in love to your husband?
Yeah.
Isa na all. How old is your husband kasi? 21, right?
Yes, 21.
Kaloka. Ba't di mo pasundan?
Ay, no. Mahirap po yung buhay. Gusto ko na mag-work, palakihin mo na.
You just want your child to grow up and school. Because life is hard, di ba? Lalo na yung gatas. Mahal ang gatas. Do your son still, drinking milk?
Yeah. On
Battle. Diaper for a baby is just like a tissue. Parang tissue na lang, di ba? My God. What's your dream in life?
Yung maging maganda rin yung buhay.
You just wanna have a good life?
Yes. Good life.
Are you willing to leave your husband for foreigner? Hindi mo iwan yung asawa mo para sa foreigner? No?
No?
You sure?
Yes.
For Korean?
No.
No? You don't like foreigners?
Sabi, gusto mo rin yung kayong dalawa maging
successful in the future.
Sa buhay, ganyan.
She said she don't wanna leave her husband for foreigners because she want to be successful with her husband. Maganda yun. Kasi yung ibang other girls said, I'm willing to leave my husband for foreigner. Because foreigner can give me a good life. Hoy, Diyos ko, nagpapaniwala na naman. Bakit yung iba? Sinasabi nila yung foreigner gonna give them a good life.
Sa kanila siguro.
For them. But for you, you wanna get successful with your husband and you don't want your child to have a broken family, right? It's hard for us, for the child or for mother to have a broken family. No one's want a broken family. Because especially if your child is girls and they grow up with a broken family, they don't wanna study, they just wanna go with their friends, they don't think about their future. Diba? Parang napapatiwara na sila sa buhay.
Pag ganun yung nakikita ng bata kapag lumaki siya. Siyempre magtatanong yung bata.
Yeah, the big kids going to ask, where's my daddy at? And the mother said, oh, your daddy is dead. Like, yeah, no one wants to have a broken family. Kasi di ko pinangarap yun. Lahat gagawin ko siguro, wag lang ako magkaroon ng broken family. Are you willing to do everything not to have a broken family?
Yes.
Diba?
Oo.
Kasi
para sa bata.
For the child. Because if they grow up without father, And you don't know what's gonna happen in the
Hindi
future.
mo alam kung ano sasabihin mo.
Mm-mm.
Papaliwanag sa bata.
You have to explain to them. Kaloka, no? Kaloka talaga. As a young age, how many times a day? In a bed?
Oh. Sometimes not.
Sometimes
Because she have a work.
he's working.
Mhm.
Oh,
Gabi
okay.
lang umuwi.
Every night na lang? No?
Pagod pa.
No, kasi he's tired.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. So you understand him.
Yes.
At least ano siya, hindi siya kagayang ibang tao, di ba?
Nagahalo talaga kahit
Mm-mm.
pagod.
Mm-mm.
No.
You like him kasi he's not like other guy that even they are
She don't have a bisyo.
he
Like
mm-mm.
smoking.
He
Or
don't
isog.
smoke, he don't okay. Are you lucky to your husband?
Yes.
Sana all. Are you happy with him? Sana all in love. Okay. Let's do fast talk. Sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Favorite position?
Like,
Nakahiga lang.
nakahiga na.
You're just laying down daw.
Yes.
How old are you when you got your first blow?
This 17.
17.
Yes, 17.
When you got your first blow?
No.
Okay. Last time you had sex with your husband? Kagabi? Last night?
No, I have a
Menstruation. Kailan?
No. Last day. Last day.
Okay.
3 days na yung mens ko.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights off.
Spit or swallow?
Spit.
Spit? Okay. Dura, lunok.
Oh, dura.
Front door or back door? Puwet or puki?
Ay, syempre, puchi.
Front door daw. Thank you, Be, for sharing your history.
Yes.
Take care of your child. And
Thank you.
I hope you get successful with your
Yes,
husband.
yes, thank you.
And because you said you're lucky with him because he don't smoke, he don't drink alcohol.
Yes.
He never
She
hit.
only work
He's only work hard for your
sa buhay.
for his
my
family.
Family.
That's good. Your parents must be happy that
Yeah.
your parents are
Sa
happy.
una, galit. Yes, happy siya naman.
Your parents are happy that
Yeah.
he is that kind of guy, that he's a responsible for his family. That's good. You're lucky then. Okay, guys, JoinPatreon.com / Tommy Lechon. Keep tuning in. The lady boy is coming for you. Good night, everyone. See ya in my next show.